Look where I am this weekend. Come on. Yes, my friends, good morning. I'm finally in t-shirt and shorts. We're in Spain at the Ricardo Tormo. I think that's how you say it. Ricardo Tormo circuit. Stupid microphone was just in front of the Drift Games new car. It's going to be a lot of Drift Games stuff. Obviously, while I'm over here, I am with Drift Games. They've made me part of their media team once again for 2024. I'm very, very excited. So I'm going to vlog as much as I can this weekend without it interrupting work. Today is just setup day. I have to say, Ryusuke's car is unreal. So is young Connor's, but these colours are a bit of me, as you guys know if you follow the channel. Absolutely amazing. So the weather is unreal. The track is massive, but they're going to be very strict on us this weekend in terms of where we can go as media personnel. So it'll be fine. But let's have a quick look at the Drift Games cars. While we've got them fresh out of the box, look at this. So this car is fresh in from Japan. They did deliveries, if you've been following the Drift Games channel, just before they left. It's green to fluorescent yellow to green fade. It looks amazing. And Connor's is like a light cyany blue to dark blue. God, they're so cool. And Connor's only like 15, like insane. Lovely family though. We're very, very lucky to have them. But the cars look absolutely unreal. So I think we'll go for a little wander around, see what we can find. Today's a setup day, so it's a lot more chill. I've got to go give Connor Shanahan a video I've made for him, and then we can kind of just see what else is going on. The stories are all up to date, the TikTok's up to date. I'm on top of everything, smashing it as always because I'm good at this job. It's gonna be a really good weekend. I can't wait. Yes, people, welcome back to the Drift Masters. What you don't get to see behind the scenes from me, Adam Ivel, and I want you right now to leave a big fat like and subscribe because we are back with the Drift Games guys. It felt so good to see them again, catch up with them after their horrendous off season and give them all a big old cuddle. But we're not going to be dealing in negativity in this video. That's all in the past now and everyone's on the way up. So what we are going to do is go help them unload the lorry and then have a little look around the pits at Drift Masters Round 1, Spain. Motorsport legend Cooper Paskonski's GR86, sorry, full carbon. Look at that. Amazing. There's some insane machines here, and these rigs as well. All the boys are stepping it up this year. There's so many lorries and all this malarkey. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's have a little wander around Connor's car. While it's the freshest it's probably going to be all season. Absolutely unreal. Shanahan's have got an unbelievable truck and trailer now, along with obviously the Red Bull livery on Connor's car. Jack's car's been redone. Jack builds all of these too, by the way, so you have to check out the Shanahan's YouTube channel to see what they do, man. The builds are absolutely insane and the cars look so cool. Young Fionn over here is joining in this year in the team. 3 GT86s from Ireland. Unbelievable. I love seeing the cars up close. This is one of my favourite days because this is the day before any of the carnage starts. So we get to see the cars in their freshest form. God, they're so cool. I would love to be able to build cars like this. This is so cool. I need to go see Jack a bit more, I think, and steal his knowledge because, god damn, look how cool that stuff is. Insane. Should have a little peek at Jack's. So cool. So I need to linger around here now because I need to give Connor his video. I did it and then I realised I have released his livery on the Drift Masters page before he's released it. I have a little bit of a habit of doing this. I did it with Jack's last season as well, so I feel a little bit bad, but at the same time, it's kind of my job. So I'll let him have the video for free. I won't charge him. So the cars look so cool. I can't wait to show you some more here. There's some insane new builds here this year. Oh, it's so much fun. This is one of my favourite days, like I said. Everyone's just in a good mood because no one's crashed yet. There's a cool thing happening just behind me here. So Ryose from Japan hasn't seen his car all liveried up in the Drift Games livery since they've done it. So he's just getting that now. So make sure you check out the Drift Games vlog. This is going to be mega. I'm buzzing for it. If you haven't been keeping up with the Drift Games vlogs, basically Ryuse's car was coming from Japan, but it was on a very tight schedule. I think the car got delayed on its boat, and Connor Falvey's matching S15 next to it was there, ready to go. Both cars look absolutely amazing. I love seeing the lorry up with the cars in it. How far these lads have managed to come over the last few years has just blown my mind, and it's been awesome to see it from up close. And towards the end of day one, My beard's getting all fluffy because it's so hot, but it's been absolutely quality to be back in the mix. I'm just gonna hold this, it's driving me insane. So it's been absolutely quality to be back in the mix. Loving it. I hope you like the little snippet of the cars. This first day, this is day one. And this is always the chillest bit. Tomorrow and Friday is when tomorrow and Saturday is when it starts to get absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna keep wandering, see if there's anything else to report for the pages and the TikToks and stuff, but it all gets a bit nuts tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to it. So what's happening behind me right now is pretty cool. Let me show you. So we have, for the first time this season, all of the cars competing in this round on the grid for a big photo shoot. And everyone's been very well behaved too, but I think that's because we're a professional circuit. So absolutely amazing. If I can find any of the photos, I will overlay them now. But what a cool view, man. Oh, this is so sick. It was awesome to get to walk through all the cars on the grid. This is the first time you get to see a lot of them in their new liveries. A lot of the cars are brand new from ground up builds for this championship. So I wanted to have a little wander through, but sorry the footage is a bit janky. I did it on one of those time lapses, and slowing it down like this just makes it look ass. But I wanted to include it anyway, so you get to see all the cars pre any big Spanish skids. God, I love this job. Man, this is awesome. Cheers, buddy. Let's do that again. Awesome. Beautiful end to the first night. It's been a really lovely day. It's so good being in the sunshine because it's got real dark and real cold real fast, but it is almost 10 p.m. so we're going to bust out of here, get some food before everywhere shuts because Spain closes super fast, and then we'll be back in the morning for day 2. Let's go, baby. We get to see the first bits of drifting of 2024. Good morning. This is practice day 1. Technically this is real day 1, but day 2 to us guys here. And today it is practice and qualifying. Right now I'm out trackside getting some B-roll for the stories and the TikTok and all that sort of stuff to create some little reels, etc. And currently Group A is out, so we're watching POV I check. We've got Ricardo just coming out right now. It's in Tormo going around in his PS13. It's so cool, man. It's so great to see all the boys out. The sunshine is beautiful. The track, it's smoky and it's fast. Let me show you this. So I was a little bit concerned that we weren't going to get many good views, but we're right next to the track, and thankfully I clocked the car going off and I ducked as it threw stones at us. So very happy I keep my teeth. You see the boys over here, there's the start line. Very exciting. It's great to be out in the sunshine. That is like the main thing for me, but I'm going to now wander back into the pits and see what's going on, and see if I need to get any more stuff going out there. See how the guys got on their first runs, but I did want to see the Shanahans going around. But I'm going to miss them this first batch. Maybe they'll come out in the second time. Wow, it's been a fair busy morning, I'm not going to lie. Very hot as well, lots of broken cars. I'm going to have a little wander around the pits while we've got 10 minutes while the lower guys on the grid go out for qualifying. It's good to see the Drift Games cars working. I know there's been a lot of problems. So let's go around the pits and just have a quick look before we have to start jumping into the main Drift Master stuff, because we've got about 10 minutes really. So Team Black Smoke had a pretty major issue earlier. Are they getting anywhere with it? I won't bother them, there's a lot of stress going on here. Absolutely carnage over here for Yuha too. I got told that they chucked a new engine in this the other day, and that's literally blown up after 2 laps. So they're refitting the old engine in hopes to get out today for some laps. And qualifying's now, so they've got to. So we've just finished the drifting. I don't think I've really filmed much today, but it's been a weird one, isn't it, Joshy?
Has been a bit of a weird one. It's,
I probably stitched Josh up earlier. It's so funny.
You were? Yeah. Do you want to tell the story, or?
No, I'll save that for another day, I think.
Did me proper dirty.
Yeah, it was good though, so I'll save that for another day. Maybe it's a story time. I don't know. I don't know if there's enough story there, but
it's a very strange day. A lot of the top drivers that you thought would have qualified high, some of them didn't even qualify or qualified low. I don't know. Is it the track? Technically, if the track's very difficult, the better drivers would be better, but it seems it was kind of just a
lot of car troubles and a lot of car troubles.
A lot
of car troubles, and I try not to make the social media too depressing, but when every car is broken. Yeah, every car's broken, and I'm here to show the trials and tribulations, but it's been pretty good. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Seeing a couple of battles is pretty cool.
It was actually, you know what, it was actually quite nice. It's like a bit of a tease for tomorrow.
Yeah, Peter looks like an absolute animal in that Supra as well. Even if he's not happy with the setup still, and he's absolutely
You talked to him before, and you'd expect him to do absolutely shocking.
Yeah.
And then he goes out there, he qualifies 4th, and then does an absolute blind
doors
chase
Ali
on.
Maxine the whole way around.
Like, what?
Yeah, he's going to be an absolute monster in that car, but Peter is such a lovely man as well, so I'll probably catch up with him tomorrow. I had a little chat with him earlier, but they were like fiddling with the car's data and shit, and I didn't want to go and be like, hey Peter, can I get an interview, mate, while you're mid-tuning your car? So
Kind of your thing.
not mid-tuning, you got to know when to do it. That's your thing, not knowing the right time to offer.
Hey, yeah, time's time.
But anyway, we're going to head in now. I might see you tomorrow if anything else happens today, but I don't think it will. Hopefully we can get out of here earlier than that yesterday. Ow.
Stop it. No, don't. Stop it.
Good morning. So it's day 3. This is a battle today. And unfortunately I've got to spend a lot of it with Josh.
Oh, I've got anything to do with it.
He doesn't have a choice. I've headed out for the first top 32 battles. I wanted to get some slow-mo clips for the TikTok and for the Instagram stories. I think they look so cool. There's nothing cooler to me than 2 big power drift cars twinning on a massive circuit, smoke going everywhere, and it being slow-mo. But the main thing I have to do at the events is to keep everybody up to date with what's going on. The Red Bull TV cameras might not be able to grab, so I didn't spend too long out here. I headed back to the pits until the top 16. But I wanted to let you guys enjoy a little bit more slow-mo before I leave. It's comp day, and we're already into the top 8. I haven't been out to film any vlog stuff today, but it's been pretty mental. If there's any clips I've got that I could share, they'll probably be in like the iPhone format, but still, it's been a mega day. It's hot. The circuit's really hard to navigate as a media guy. Boo-hoo, I know, but yeah, we're in the top 8. We've got one more time with Pascal. No, almost top 8. We've got one more top 16 battle to go. Pascalti versus the new French guy that I haven't properly met yet, so we'll meet him shortly. And yeah, it's all going crazy here. It's been a pretty mega weekend, I can't lie, but I hope you've been enjoying what I've been able to make out of this and the footage I get for the Instagram. Doing this job, I get to know a lot of these drivers really well. I spend a lot of time with them, learning when and where I can dip in and out of their pits, just to know when it's comfortable to get the best and most emotional interview. And the guy standing there with the national anthem of Estonia playing is Kevin Passeur. He's one of the guys I've got to know over the last few years. Him and his team are all so lovely. I was ecstatic for them to be on the podium, especially in the #1 position of the first event of the year. And that's it, Valencia wrapped up just like that. It's over as soon as it started. It certainly feels for me. Well, I'm here at Kevin Passeur's pits waiting to see the party begin, and we'll catch up with him in Ireland, Mondello Park for round 2. The sunshine has been amazing and the driving only got better throughout the afternoon. I thoroughly hope you've enjoyed me over on Instagram and on TikTok. It's been a great fun to present for the socials once again, and I'll see you at Mondello Park, Ireland. Only a few weeks to wait, I can't wait. See you later, guys. Bye. I don't know at this point.